I would like to introduce you to my fancy gadget here at Arizona Wellness. Today I'm going to explain what this is, and this is called an acoustic wave machine. And it's actually a low intensity acoustic wave machine. Many of you may be familiar with a high intensity acoustic wave, which is used to blast out kidney stones. What this does is sound like this, and you could put this anywhere actually. And what it does is it helps to break down the plaques that are causing the erectile dysfunction in the first place, as well as causing neovascularization, which is just really is a fancy word for making more blood vessels. Therefore, that regenerative properties helps to correct the problem. The Gainswave protocol is typically 6 treatments that last about 20 minutes. We do give you numbing. The patient is numb, but like I said, we could use this on anywhere. It sounds like a jackhammer, but it definitely does not feel like one. Any questions, feel free to call us at 480-398-8301.